Welcome to the 12th tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at the start of rights in the UK with the Magna Carta, and how human rights have developed in Europe. The Magna Carta is a charter of rights which the English barons forced King John to sign in 1215. In 1215, King John had to make peace with the barons, who were high up in class at the time. His reign had been corrupt and violent. The barons demanded that King John stop taxing them heavily and persecuting the citizens. The Magna Carta, or the Great Charter, was signed by King John and the barons. The king promised many things, but the most important was this statement about how free men should be treated. It says, "No free man shall be imprisoned, or stripped of his rights or possessions, nor will we proceed with force against him except by the lawful judgment of his equals or by the law of the land. To no one will we deny rights or justice." It means that everyone is equal before the law and no one can be put in prison without a fair trial. The signing of the Magna Carta was also the beginning of Parliament, with the king unable to make decisions by himself. After the UN created the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the countries of Europe adopted it and developed systems to enforce it. The UK has included it in laws through the Human Rights Act. The 1950 European Convention of Human Rights sets the framework for European countries. If the residents of one country don't think they have had a fair response from the courts, they can take their case to the European Court of Human Rights. Since 2000, the UK has had its own laws on human rights, which say that all organisations have a duty to protect the rights of all individuals. These are the rights which are set out in the ECHR. The Human Rights Act protects everyone in the UK. In the exam you might be asked to explain how the Magna Carta has influenced rights in the UK.
We go together like ram ram ram, ding 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 dong.